What does Mommy always say to you?
Not to put on the wall.
That's right. What makes Mommy happy?
It makes you happy. Yes, good.
Let me see this. What makes Mommy sad?
Make you sad when I'm not a nice girl.
Okay. How does Daddy make you laugh?
It laughs me. Right? When he tickles me,
Oh, yeah.
I will laugh.
Okay. What was Mommy like as a child?
A child looks like this.
How old is Daddy?
Child.
How old is Daddy?
He's really big that time.
How tall is Daddy?
It's tall, it's that tall. It's big.
Okay. What's Mommy's favorite thing to do?
What's your favorite thing to do with that?
What does Mommy do when you're not around? What does Mommy do when you're not around?
Whoa.
What would Daddy be famous for?
Undergo and Daddy.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
You don't want to finish?
No, I'm fine.
What is Mommy really good at?
Bye.
What is Mommy really good at? What does Daddy do for work?
They worked upstairs.
Okay. What's Mommy's favorite food?
Your food looks like dinner.
Okay. What makes you proud of Mommy?
It makes you bad when I'm a nice girl when I pick up this stuff.
That's right. If Daddy was a cartoon, who would he be?
A king.
A king? Wow. Okay, come back. What do you and Mommy do together?
It makes you together when we're a king.
Do we paint?
We can paint all together.
Okay. Are you leaving? Oh, okay. How do you know Mommy loves you?
Oh,
How do you know Mommy loves you?
I'm gonna play this again.
How do you know Mommy loves you?
I'm gonna play this again.
Okay. Where's Daddy's favorite place to go?
And cheers. I'm gonna play this again.
Okay. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.